Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the X5 30D M Sport Xdrive, presented in the superb 3-stage white. This vehicle also features a wide array of very sought after BMW options alongside the YNC Mperformance body styling, which again has all been finished within the body colour. At the front there, you'll see we have opted to go for the frozen black kidney grills. It does come with the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. It has got the optional 20-inch jet black alloy wheels that do come all the way around with fresh brand new tyres as well. Over the top of the car, you can see it also comes with the sought after glass panoramic sunroof, which currently I've got slid all the way back, and we'll go through the modes of that shortly. As well as the very nice sun protection glazing, you can see that this 3-stage pearl white paint has been kept in superb condition. In terms of the interior colour, it has got a full black leather, which comes with both the electric movement, memory for driver's side, and of course heated seats for drivers and passengers. We've also got Harman Kardon surround sound. We've got that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall of course take a further look at more of the interior items shortly. For rear passengers, you'll find an exceptionally spacious and very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench within this X5, central folding armrest, and of course having that glass sunroof really does open up the interior to a huge amount of natural light. Rear passengers can also enjoy rear heated seat option as well, which is of course always very sought after. Round onto the rear of the car, again trying to show you off as best as possible the 3-stage pearl white. It does have a huge amount of the pearlescent effect into that, and is always very sought after and a hugely expensive option. Round at the back, you do of course get to the split tailgate, which is of course all automatic upon opening the top portion of the boot. So there you can see that then opens up a very large boot space, and we simply all open that down. Whilst you take a look around how big the boot area is, which is of course also incorporates split folding seats, it is of course worth mentioning we are currently running under a click and collect service here at Your Next Car, and to find out more about that and of course this wonderful X5 30D M Sport, simply follow the links that I'll leave down below in the description for you. From there, that'll take you through to the website, and as I've mentioned, you can find out more about the car and of course our click and collect service. I will now quickly hop on board the car, because whilst this vehicle looks exceptionally special from the outside, there is yet more special features awaiting us on the inside of the car. As soon as we step inside, again, we've got a huge amount of natural light thanks to that wonderful glass sunroof. We'll start the vehicle up. Another thing worth mentioning that is heated on the inside of this car is the heated M Sport steering wheel, which on a especially cold, breezy day like today is really worth having. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In total, this vehicle's covered just over 88,000 miles, but hopefully throughout this walk around you've seen that it is not only very nicely presented in terms of the exterior, but internally it's been very well looked after as well. It does also come with a rear facing reversing camera along with front and rear parking sensors. And we'll quickly just pop the sunroof into the tilt whilst I show you the other features, and towards the end of the video I'll show you what that looks like as well. So you get Bluetooth, telephone and audio. You do of course have DAB radio, as well as all of the other multifunction and multimedia inputs as well, including Bluetooth audio, AUX, USB and the wonderful music collection. Going back to the home screen in just one second, we'll check out the service requirements. Down here is the dual climate controls. We'll also find our switches for our front heated seats there as well. Going into vehicle information, you can see there you do also get an Xdrive display, which is of course really nice to know should you find yourself in a bit of a tricky situation, you want to monitor everything the car's doing. In terms of vehicle status, you'll see in just a second that everything is highlighted in green. The next service for this vehicle is not due for 16,000 miles. And it does also come with a great amount of BMW service history as well, and there is also independent service documents with the vehicle also. And as I've mentioned, being that the vehicle has not long had 4 new tyres put on the car, that is also going to save you a great amount of money as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and have been able to find it useful. And again, if you would like to find out more, simply follow those links down below in the description, and that'll take you through to the website. Thanks guys, do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.